Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are a CapCut user and the CapCut is not saving project on your device, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. If iPhone is running out of space, then must make some space on your iPhone to save the projects. If this solution is not working, then what we have to do, we have to force close all the app that are running in the background, then tap and hold the app store. Here we have to tap on updates and check the list. Is there is any update available for CapCut, then update the CapCut app. The next solution is we have to launch settings again, tap on general and tap iPhone storage. Find the CapCut and tap on offload app. Tap again offload to confirm. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue by updating the CapCut app or re-download it. While saving the projects in CapCut, we have to make sure that we are connected to the internet. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.